There we go. Afternoon, guys. Oh, I am on my way to Bretton Road. I just dropped my dad at my sister's place. So, I'm meeting up with Kyle and a friend of mine. All my subscribers, a friend of mine said that I'm driving without the seatbelt. So, you know what? Okay, seatbelt is on. So yeah, I'm on my way. It's windy. The weather is crazy. It's been drizzling on and off. I mean, the sun is coming out and it's drizzling. It's just weird. But yeah, Kyle sent me a voice note and it sounds really windy. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. It might be a quick session. But yeah. Always good just even to sit there, you know. But yeah, guys, I'll check you when we get there. And there we have Kylie. So just an update, guys. Got some of my subscribers. I can't get them in. It's so windy. I'm gonna have a chat with them. I don't know if you captain. That's right there. It's Kyle's rod. Kyle, what you doing?
Oh, hey. Get you to cool.
The beach diet, guys. Beach food. Doritos and a white bread with a ginger beer. Oh, yeah, it's not a lot of guys here. Oh, there's a few. The water's pushing, so yeah, hopefully we see my rod is bending there. Okay. Anyway, guys, let's catch you now. So guys, I'm calling it a day. I'm calling it a day. This wind is crazy. Oops, my stand is still there. This wind is crazy. I just wanted to get into the car. And I just wanted to say thanks to Gary, Marcel, and two buddies. I wanted to talk to them. We had a chat off the video.
Is that lappy, man? Is that a lappy?
Yes, there is. Just check there in a box or something.
The box?
Yes. So what I did instead was I've just taken photos of them. I couldn't get. Yeah, I couldn't get the recording because of the wind. Yeah, it would have been like a silent movie. So yeah, thanks Gary for watching my videos. Yeah, probably hook up again some other time and just leave a message, and then yeah, we can do that. Oh, it's Kyle packing up now, so I'm going to, yeah, we're gonna leave. I'll get back to you guys in the next 2 minutes. Alright guys, that's it. It was a nice cold windy day. Oh, my hands it's freezing cold. I couldn't anymore. But yeah, thanks to Kyle for meeting me here. It's nice meeting up with Gary and Marcel, and I didn't get his other two buddies' names. Sorry guys, but yeah, no, I'm off. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a Langebaan trip next week. We'll see in a week what Papageno has to say. We'll confirm in a week, and then maybe we'll do a Langebaan trip Saturday afternoon or Sunday afternoon. Anyway guys, enjoy the rest of the week. Be safe on the roads. And then yeah, hopefully we'll get back to you guys next week. Cheers!